Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing what we always do, it seems. I don't know what we're going to be doing, so we'll figure that out. I'm going to bring you guys along for the process. It's a very cold winter day. It's snowing. We're expected to get about 3 to 5 inches today, so it's definitely cold. So I'm going to go brew myself up a little hot chocolate and light the forge, get this place warming up.
So like with all of our projects, it's probably going to start out with a railroad spike. So let's throw it in the forge. There we go, it's starting to heat up. This thing's only been on for like 10 seconds and it's already warming up my whole shop. Been in there for about a minute. Oops! Let's try this again with a new hammer.
So guys, you saw that hammerhead fly off. Well, it was worth it. We just invented a new style of hot cut hardy. The only one I'm familiar with is the Brian Brazil style hot cut hardy. That works really well. But now we have the Tyler style hot cut hardy. Pretty nice. Let's see how it works.
If you guys try to make the Tyler style hot cut hardy, be sure that you grind down beneath the cutting edge so that it doesn't mark your anvil at all. So for example, let me just grab a piece of rebar I've already heated up and cut off a little nibbit of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my rebar, nice and hot, take it over to the hot cut, and beat. This works pretty well. And then, what you're going to do is you're going to take your tongs, or in my case pliers, and just twist it off. And there you go. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video of how to make a prototype of the Tyler Hot Cut Hardy. This is the first one I've ever made. You guys just watch me make it. I hope you guys can get out to your shop and do the same thing, or make your own like I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment. Tell us what you want to see in the future. Thanks, guys.